Today, I'll show you how to quickly locate your Twilio Auth Token, Token. This is an essential step if you're setting up apps, automations, or any communication feature in Twilio. First, log into your Twilio account at console.twilio.com. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, your control hub for all account info. Scroll down to the account info section. Here you'll see your account SID clearly displayed. But our main focus is the auth token. By default, Twilio hides this for security reasons. To view it, simply click the eye icon next to the token. If this guide is helping you, tap the like button to support more tech tutorials like this. Once revealed, copy your auth token and store it securely. Remember, anyone with access to this token can make changes to your Twilio account, so treat it like a password. For convenience, using a password manager is highly recommended. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Twilio Auth Token, ready for app integrations or automation setups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Twilio tips and tech guides.